The Salem Cruise Lite doesn't just offer variety, it gives you options that actually matter. With a lineup of floor plans for both couples and families, this travel trailer balances affordability, features, and style while still offering upgrades that take it to another level. Want the standard conventional exterior? Great. Prefer a sleek fiberglass exterior? Just add the Platinum package and you've got yourself a modern, polished look. Inside, outside, and under the surface, the Salem Cruise Lite brings just a lot to the table. So let's start at the entry door and kind of work our way through this rig from its comfortable living area to its rock-solid construction. So as soon as you step into the living area, the first thing you'll notice is the windows, and not just any windows. The panoramic living area window pairs with the oversized kitchen window, which is at least 48 by 12 inches in every model. It just makes it feel like you've brought the outdoors in. And when you're ready for privacy, the designer window treatments with textured roller shades give the space a cozy residential feel. Lighting plays a big role in setting the right atmosphere, and the Salem Cruise Lite nails it with dimmable 4K blade lighting stretched across the ceiling. There's even a backlit arched radius paneling for just a sleek modern touch. For just an extra bit of luxury, select models even come with a mirror front electric fireplace. It blends function with style. And speaking of comfort, the upgraded designer furniture is just built for relaxation. If your model has a large living area slide out, you'll get the Versa Lounge, which is a clever setup where the middle section flips to convert between a full-size sofa and large booth dinette. Booth options feature plush pillowback cushions, making it easy to kick back and sink in after a long day of adventure. Storage isn't just an afterthought here either, folks. It's built into every inch of the space. The Stow and Go system, as they call it, provides an additional 20.3 cubic feet of storage under the sofa, bed, and just throughout the trailer, keeping your camping gear, extra blankets, and board games all organized and accessible. But of course, comfort isn't just furniture, right? It's about the temperature control. And the 13,500 BTU ducted AC system does a great job of keeping things cool. But if you prefer to camp in hotter climates, you can upgrade to a 15,000 BTU unit. Most people find the standard system more than enough, but having the upgrade option there is definitely a nice touch. All right, with all this talk of warmth and comfort, it's only natural for me to transition into the kitchen because, let's be honest, food just makes everything better. The 3-burner high-output cooktop gives you enough room to cook a full meal, while the microwave lets you heat up quick bites when you're not in the mood to fire up the stove or if you just need to reheat some leftovers. Cold storage is plentiful thanks to the 11 cubic foot fridge, so no more cramming groceries into too small of a space. I'm sure you're familiar with that if you have a older RV. But the details in this kitchen really make it shine. You have heavy-duty hinges on the cabinetry which keep everything nice and secure, and the stylish real tile backsplash adds a premium touch that you just won't find in many travel trailers at this price point. The seamless countertop blends seamlessly with the deep undermount sink, and the stainless steel roll-up sink cover makes it easy to let dishes dry. The spring-loaded pull-out faucet is another win. It's kind of making both meal prep and cleanup just a little bit more effortless. All right, let's move into the bedroom where the Stow and Go storage makes another appearance right underneath the bed. Most models will feature a custom king bed, which is already a standout, right? Especially in a travel trailer. But what really takes it up a notch in my mind is the Versa bed system. With a push of a button, you can adjust the head of the bed to your preferred position, which is perfect for reading, watching TV, or just getting comfortable before calling it a night, but it also opens up a lot of space in the bedroom. And storage doesn't stop at the bed. Overhead cabinetry and revamped wardrobe closets give you space for your clothes and camping essentials, while a built-in laundry hamper helps keep things tidy. Of course, the large windows continue in the bedroom, making the space just feel open and airy, even when you're waking up in the middle of nowhere, which hopefully you are. Get outside, enjoy it. For any entertainment lovers, you're in luck because the JBL Bluetooth-enabled stereo system is ready to blast your favorite tunes, while USB ports throughout the trailer keep your devices charged. Whether you're inside, outside, your indoor and outdoor speakers, make sure the party doesn't stop at the trailer walls. TV reception is covered with cable and satellite hookups, plus the King system with an OmniGo HD TV antenna. This setup comes prepped for a King Wi-Fi range extender, King LTE cell booster, and King satellite antenna, meaning you can stay connected even when you're off-grid, thanks to all of the King goodies. The next stop is the bathroom. The skylight over the shower not only adds extra headroom, but it also brings in natural light, just making the space feel bigger. Some models include a tub, while all are going to feature a shower surround and an upgraded shower head for better water pressure. And since hot water shouldn't be a luxury, the 60,000 BTU tankless water heater ensures you never run out. Even the backlit, arched radius mirror just adds a retro modern touch that elevates the bathroom's overall vibe. Stepping outside, you'll find more rides step above double entry steps, which make getting in and out a smooth, wobble-free experience. A large power awning with blade lighting extends your campsite's livable space, creating the perfect spot for morning coffee or late night storytelling. Most models include a power tongue jack, even though it's not technically an option. But let's be real, right? If you hate cranking up and down manually, this is just a must-have. The pass-through storage compartment up front is wide and deep, giving you more than enough space for all of your camping gear. The Platinum package, which is something I really like, takes things up a notch. Since most dealerships order trailers with this package, you'll more than likely get the sleek fiberglass exterior, the roof-mounted 200-watt solar panel with a 30-amp controller, spare tire and carrier, power stabilizer jacks, outside shower, and the 15,000 ducted AC upgrade. All of that, again, comes in that package. So before you rush off to buy one, let's quickly talk towing. The Salem Cruise Lite spans about 23 to 34 feet in length, with most models settling around a 7,500-pound loaded weight. So while some of the smaller models you could possibly tow by like a Jeep Grand Cherokee if properly equipped, my bet would be to either go with a large SUV or a pickup. So something like a Ford Expedition, Chevy Suburban, even a properly equipped Toyota Sequoia might be able to handle some of the mid ones, but for the heavier ones, you'll probably want to look at a half-ton like 1500 or Ford F-150. If you're unsure of what your vehicle is rated for, check the owner's manual or just swing by Camping World and have them check for you while you scope out a Salem Cruise Lite in person. This travel trailer really blends style, comfort, and functionality, just making it a fantastic option for first-time buyers and seasoned campers alike. So if you're ready to step up your camping game, the Salem Cruise Lite is waiting for you. Happy RV shopping and even happier camping.